The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the group of troops of the Russian armed forces inflicted fire damage on 89 artillery units on fire-on positions, manpower and military equipment in 107 areas. A command post of the 110th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine was eliminated close to Tonenkoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense systems have intercepted 15 HIMARS, Smerch and Uragan projectiles during the day. Moreover, 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Novaya Tarasovka in Kharkov region, Rubezhnoye, Chervona Popovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Staromayorskoye, Vladimirovka, Yegorovka and Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 402 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,457 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,330 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,066 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,381 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,996 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 880 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 164,200 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,511 tanks, 6830 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. Ukraine also published footage of Border Guards mortars crews destroyed an enemy assault group from Russian. And they also demilitarized the advanced detachment of the Wagner infantry fighting unit with a well-aimed shot at an ammunition cache.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.